Join me as I dive into the skills and habits that will make a software developer truly great in 2025 and see if I can master them all before the year's up. The world of technology is evolving at an incredible pace, and it's the software developers who are at the forefront of this revolution. They're not just coding wizards, they're the architects of our digital future. The impact they make will shape how we live, work, and interact with technology in 2025 and beyond. Software developers today face a multitude of challenges, with new technologies emerging every year. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. One day, it's all about Java, the next, it's Python or Kotlin. Staying current is a Herculean task, but it's essential for survival in this field. The pressure to deliver high-quality code quickly and efficiently can be overwhelming. The landscape of software development is constantly shifting. What was relevant yesterday might not be tomorrow. This means developers have to be adaptable, continuously learning and upskilling to stay relevant. It's not just about mastering a programming language. It's about understanding the ecosystem, the tools, and the methodologies that shape our industry. The days of lone developers working in isolation are long gone. Collaboration is key in modern software development. Developers need to work effectively with cross-functional teams, communicate ideas clearly, and be open to feedback. This shift towards teamwork and collaboration is what sets great developers apart from the rest. So, what makes a great software developer in 2025? It's a mix of skills and qualities. Adaptability is crucial. Being able to pivot when technologies change or when project requirements shift. Proficiency in emerging technologies like AI, machine learning, and cloud computing will be a significant advantage. But it's not just about technical skills. It's also about soft skills like collaboration, communication, and problem solving. Great developers will also be those who can navigate the complexities of modern software development with ease. They'll be familiar with DevOps practices, understand the importance of testing and continuous integration, and be able to optimize code for performance and scalability. However, there's one critical insight that stands out for the future of software development: the importance of a growth mindset and lifelong learning. The ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn will be more valuable than any specific technical skill. This mindset isn't just about professional growth, it's also about personal fulfillment. When developers embrace continuous learning, they open themselves up to new ideas, new challenges, and new opportunities. In a field that's as dynamic as software development, having a growth mindset is what will keep developers ahead of the curve. It's the foundation upon which all other skills are built. To wrap it up, the path to becoming a great software developer in 2025 involves a combination of technical expertise, soft skills, and a commitment to lifelong learning. As the industry continues to evolve, so too must the developers who drive it forward. What do you think makes a great developer? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more content like this, be sure to check out my other videos on tech trends and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology.